Anyways, I ordered a sandwich. I don't know. Y'all, I'm editing. Also, I was basically supposed to upload the video on a Monday, but it's Tuesday. I was feeling so discouraged. I'm like, I don't know. Is anybody gonna watch it? But I'm like, you know what? Just keep posting until people watch it. Even though editing takes a long time, somebody gonna like it eventually, right? Basically, in the next clip, I got some adventures going on. In the next clip, I was basically just explaining how I got back to the house or whatever, and I just wanted to show y'all my fit or whatever, and also how I collected the sandwich and stuff like that. Basically, I just went downtown and stuff like that. Like later on in the video, y'all gonna see what I did to get the sandwich, obviously, and how I got there. So yeah, also chicken nuggets. Also, I did change at my house. I got comfortable and I went to a studio. I have to smoke in the studio because, I'm not allowed to smoke in my house. So, I go to a certain place where I know that I'm heavily invited to, and I smoke there and I record content. So if y'all like it, all them steps that I gotta do is a lot. So yeah, so if y'all want Zod content, let me know. But just know it's a lot of steps to doing it. But I don't mind it. But yeah, and also I went to this place it's called Botanical Garden. Okay, I'm gonna put up the name, and basically it was just like cool. It was nature, get into it with nature, and then after that, we walk into some random place or whatever because I was trying to get to this like sandwich deli or something. I'm like, I need to go to the sandwich deli. It's right here by the Gateway Arch. I need to go here. And I couldn't find it, so I just ended up walking somewhere random that was way far from it. By the way, I literally took a Uber to the Arch, but I literally walked somewhere far from it. And so then I ended up just seeing some pathways, some views. It was amazing. Literally, explore your city more. After that, my brain is so fried right now. Then that's when back to the house, got myself together, and after that I went somewhere else. I had a feeling I went somewhere else. I don't know. I don't know, because I was walking so much I forgot time. Because I'm like, you know what, let me just go somewhere real far so I can have a long Uber drive back home. I'm just a girl. Anyway, every time I say that, I spend money just to not feel bad about it. It works. Anyways, but yeah, then after that, I came home, finished the sandwich even more, and then I got some stuff, went back to the studio, got comfortable or whatever. And oh yeah, that's why I didn't want to post the video, because the outfit I was wearing, literally, it's a breathable whatchamacallit, it's a breathable set, a lingerie set, but I don't look as it as underwear because it just looks like shorts and a sports bra to me. So that's why I'm like, ugh, should I even post it or should I not? So I might cover that part up, I might cover it out, I don't know. We gonna see. Well, I'm gonna see what y'all gonna. Well, obviously y'all gonna see because the video gonna be posted. But I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. But I'm just explaining to y'all what's going on because I know y'all like no context. And also for the bad audio, I am so sorry, child. When I get in public, I'm so socially awkward, and child, I was so awkward. But hey, I did my adventure. I'm happy. We chilling. So anytime you catch me looking at my camera a lot, just know that's me making it look like I'm talking to somebody on my phone. Yeah, hopefully y'all like the video. Well, they got me some sparkling water and sandwich. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna change, and I'm gonna get ready to tear the sandwich up more than it already was. We're gonna change into some pajamas. Okay, so I tried that sandwich. It was good. It was amazing. Literally, I didn't want to get it because I didn't want to get it off of DoorDash. That's the thing, getting it off of DoorDash. Anyways, I'm in a little studio, not my apartment. So basically what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna, and I always say I'm in my studio, not an apartment, because my apartment is not smokable, so we have to go to a studio for that. If y'all catch my drift. But I love to see the adventure. Yeah, I literally wrote up 2 for that. Anyways, when is my favorite strand and when it's not my favorite strand? I'm trying to save my favorite strand for me. Mwah. So I have a face making problem. Okay. But basically what I'm gonna do, I keep saying what I'm gonna do. I don't know, I zone out so quick. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder if I should use my regular camera, but I don't know. I don't like my regular camera. It just makes me feel weird. But anyways, I'm gonna put on music. I have some headphones in. I'm gonna still talk to y'all as I go. I don't want to get copyrighted, but I know y'all not gonna get copyrighted because y'all can't hear it, but y'all can listen to y'all own music. Just join me, okay? I gotta get my headphones. Really, every time I get like this, I gotta listen to Zoe Trap a lot. I be calling him Zoe Cap a lot, but I be thinking that's his name, but it's Trap a lot. Very well know that now. I'm gonna go here and be prepared. I'm gonna come back and we just gonna vibe out, twin. This is beautiful. I'm a little lazy on this. I'm gonna finish it later, but
got s'mores. My eyes keep on them, but low key, I'll let somebody marry me here. Literally. I'm thinking about a burger right now. I deserve a burger after all this. And plus, it was 1 o'clock when I left the house. It's like 2. Y'all think I maxed my limit? Yeah. I'm not even getting anywhere closer. But that's awesome though, right? That's cool.
it says over here. I kind of feel like a New Yorker right now. Because literally in New York, they have like these walkways down here. And you'll never think that there was the same. But anyways, like this is a cool little walkway. People should explore their city more. I barely do it. But this is kind of nice. Anyways, I got my Let's Go to Pluto playlist on, so we're gonna start with this one because this one gonna be ass. One strand is not from my plug. One strand is from my plug. I don't see how people could talk while they do this. I always go nonverbal. Like, I could listen a little bit, but talk. That's about it, dude. Like, my problem is the moment I feel something, I need the freestyle. Is it just be the, oh yeah, do that too? Cause I'm like, I hope that's not just me. I'm gaining some weight, y'all. Sometimes I feel like it, sometimes I don't. Y'all sleeping on this song. I kind of know the words, I kind of don't, y'all. I don't listen to it a lot. The song is definitely gonna leave me distracted. But literally, I don't see how people can go on here and just rant and talk. Like, I could do that sometimes, but sometimes I'm just verbal, non-verbal. Like, sometimes I gotta think. Like, I just think to myself so much. Because it's like, when you do actually need to talk to people, or when people is actually listening to you, okay, now what should I say? What time? Like, what time is it to talk about? I don't know what subject I should talk on about. You know, it's a lot of things. So I'm just like, I'm like, damn. Oh, what? Y'all notice my arms, I've been working out, y'all. Okay, you know what? But I'll be scared to show it, because then y'all gonna be like, yeah, nah. She look like she been in the gym too much. She almost looked like a man. Stuff like that made me hurt. Somebody mistaken me for a boy too long ago. I'm not gonna say.
I had to puff on that one. But literally back then, I used to have cornrows to the back, and then they used to look at me and be like, baby, this is a she. Baby, this is a she. That's the one pet peeve about me having like braids or like having my hair like pushed back or having my hair up. Like, I just like all my hair to be down, because I feel like if all of my hair is up, y'all gonna be like, sir, it's ma'am, miss, Mrs. Back to the party. So, like, this song, I know when y'all just get to that point, y'all just feeling, I ain't even finna pick up the phone. Sometimes you want to be alone. Y'all sleeping on that song. I hope I put in all the songs somewhere. I'm finna start dancing. I'm somewhere, but I'm not nowhere. Y'all. Or whatever. Did I say Spawn? I need to go to bed. I could listen to songs all day. But sometimes when I'm in a state, I feel like freestyling. I think that's what I should do. Like, is it me or like when I'm like just there, I like, hold up, y'all. Is it me or like when I'm there, I'm just like cross-eyed, like my eyes is like, or am I tweak? It's just me. Or you know what, y'all tell me if y'all tell me. But anyways, we just gonna find a little beat on here, and I need to start putting my stuff on rotate. Literally, I be feeling like I said that LA. Like, y'all hear a British accent every time I say that. I don't know why I started doing that. It just happens. I just started saying literally like that. What's artist? I'm thinking. See, I'm not used to all these lights being on me when I'm this, you know, in New Mexico right now. When I'm in Nirvana, when I'm in chicken nuggets, but nuggets in the chicken, but not the nuggets, but the chicken and the fries and the can, the can of chicken. The can of chicken. I don't know. It was the can of chicken. I'm telling you, I don't know what I was talking about, but I'm gonna just show one on here, but I don't know, freestyle for a little minute. Just a bakada, like. I could make it in the stew with that. This is a splurge you want a gangster type beat. I had to screen record that real quick. We gonna have to let that screen record real quick. The moment I turn the camera off, I'm just talking to myself, looking in the mirror. I'm just saying hi to things, and I'm just like, this is why I'm happy I came inside the house, because child. Anyway, so literally, I'm just like, hey, what we doing today? I would have been like, y'all saying y'all gonna want to get some chicken? Okay. But the thing is, where are they getting the chicken? I'm just like, yeah, let me go home. Because that's how big my imagination is. And if I go outside, I'm gonna seek my imagination and see something I don't want to see. So that's why I'm like, you know what? I forgot. It's daylight savings. After I eat this sandwich, I'm gonna just go home. Yeah. Hella funny. But yeah, I gotta remind myself I'm being happy. I've been ranting for so long that I didn't even realize what I'm doing. Child, the whole thing went to commercial. Okay, so we just gonna listen to our next beat. We just screen recording beats right now at this point. Who the f is Tom? Did he just say he from the pantry? It's a lot of stuff going on. See, I don't got YouTube Premium, so I just have to listen to that ad, and I can't do the thing where I can skip it because it'd be like, here, you do that too much. You do that too much. This beat might make me make it in nationals. I might spit heat out too early. Y'all can listen to it, but I don't know. Y'all just can't listen to it. But anyways, I'ma just show y'all what I do in my free time. Record a little bit of me just a bit bopping. Don't stopping. Flip or rocking. Rocking. Okay. I think that one wasn't okay. That wasn't. It's cool. Anyway. Whew. It is very flipping cold. I did cut my ear on because I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hot. But then I'll be like, no, you're low ironed. So then I'm like, okay. But it was hot though. So was it not okay? But now I'm cold and I gotta get up in a second because I want some ice cream. No, I want some brownies. But that just made it even colder. That's why I don't like my brain sometimes. And y'all see I'm just putting my hands behind and in front of my ears. Yeah, I have issues. I don't know what I want my hair to be. It's one to record a new beat on a song, you know. It's kind of hard, I guess. But this one, we like. Anyway, we gonna record some more beats and I'm gonna come back and start freestyling. I'm losing my voice already. We didn't even start rapping. But basically, what's going on is, basically, I gotta add the song to the, okay, basically, I'm using BandLab, y'all. Don't judge me. So, we're gonna edit it, and then we're gonna get into the recording. Okay, so I got it in recording, basically. So, we're just gonna get into it. I really felt like on that last one, I was just throwing some heat. If I don't make it out the hood with this one, I'm whipping somebody. Anyway. And then after this, I'm just gonna smoke another, zone out, go to bed. Yeah. Am I gonna post this all? No. So I feel like this might be real short. God, I'm about lit. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just one more time and just head my ass home. Let me stop being funny. But for real though, 1-1. I hope y'all know y'all look good today. I just need to let y'all know, not just me, y'all. Sending loves and joys and prayers, you know. Y'all look beautiful. Everybody look handsome if you're a man. But anyway, so I'm just gonna vibe out. I might make some more TikToks. I might not, if I can. And I'm gonna take my ass home. And the awkward part is the Uber drives home or the Lyft drives, because I just be so fucked up. And they're just looking at me like, did you pray today? Did you pray today? Yes, I do every night. But every day we gon' every morning too. I'll catch y'all. Follow me on YouTube. Please subscribe. Give me some places. Come on, support me so we can get a camera and we can make this real for y'all. I love y'all. But not for real though. I love y'all. Bye.